Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make poha in South Indian style. In South India it's called aval upma. So let's start the recipe. So for this recipe what you need, here I took 2 cups of poha, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash this one in the cold water. So I washed the poha in the cold water for 2 to 3 times, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some salt as per taste, how much salt you want in your poha, and I'm going to mix with my hand. So this recipe you can prepare in under 5 minutes, very easy recipe, and I'm going to cover this one with the lid. Take a kadai, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. So when the oil becomes little bit hot, we have to add the mustard seeds, the urud dal, the chana dal. So in this, I am going to add some mustard seeds. So here I am adding some mustard seeds, the urud dal. If you want some jeera, that is the cumin seeds, you can add some cumin seeds, some chana dal. So everything guys, some fresh curry leaves. It gives a nice flavor in the upma. And this is the must guys, the ink powder. It gives a nice taste and nice flavor. And I'm going to mix these things together. And here I'm adding some peanuts. It gives a nice crunchiness in this aval upma. That is the poha. If you want to add chopped onion, you can add that one also. And I'm going to add this poha into this. So you have to soak this poha for 2 to 3 minutes guys. Then you will get very soft one. And we have to mix all these things together. And in this I'm not going to add any turmeric powder, no chili powder, nothing. This is the plain one guys. And in the last I'm going to add some fresh coriander leaves. So I switched off the flame, and into this I'm going to add this South Indian mixture. If you want to skip this one, you can. And I'm going to add some fresh coriander leaves. So here I'm adding some fresh coriander leaves. And I'm going to add some lemon juice. And here I'm adding some fresh lemon juice. And my South Indian upma, that is chidwa upma, is ready to serve. So I put it in the small bowl. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make South Indian poha, that is aval upma, at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. And this recipe you can prepare under 5 minutes. Bye.